Tonight, the city of Kansas City has joined a federal lawsuit naming the Department of Health and Human Services. It alleges the recent federal funding cuts are both unlawful and detrimental to critical public health services. Fox 4's Malik Jackson live from City Hall tonight. Malik, city not alone in this federal lawsuit.
That's correct, John. They're joining 4 other municipalities, including Harris County, who's leading the charge on this federal lawsuit. They say these monies sent to them during COVID, well, they weren't temporary funds. Instead, they are vital and essential dollars that public health departments need, especially as a measles outbreak looms.
It does concern me that we are going to be much less prepared for the next pandemic, for any severe outbreaks, all of those.
Kansas City's top public health official unsettled by cuts to federal funding and the ability to intervene.
We saw the vulnerabilities in the local public health system and the national public health system. You would hope that it would allow us to be in a better situation for what's coming next.
City officials say this funding cut means they may not be able to deliver the impact they once promised. Programs like the Community Health Worker Initiative could take a hit with fewer staff and less support out in the neighborhoods that need the help the most. Fewer people helping residents navigate care and a reduced availability of free vaccines for adults.
We realized that the public health system was already underfunded. And so when we received these funds that have been pulled back, the effort was to build us up so that we would not be underfunded anymore and we'd be better prepared.
Dr. Jones has a clear message for the Trump administration.
We would just ask that there be a deeper consideration for public health and the consideration of the need for a solid safety net. Some of the cuts may seem like a good idea, but they can really be harmful to our system.
Now, prior to this lawsuit, several other entities did in fact sue the Health and Human Services Department over funds that had been pulled, and they were successful. So Dr. Jones tells me that she's optimistic that the city of Kansas City will prevail here in this case. We reached out to HHS to ask questions about this litigation. Well, they say they don't comment on pending litigation. John.